Hey guys, check it out, another video of Fix It Pros. We're doing an iPhone 7 original LCD refurbish. At this point, we're already taken off the glass. We've already cleaned the LCD. We are now ready to install the glass and frame with the oak already on the frame. We're going to show you this part of the process so you can see that this is an original Apple LCD, and we'll show you the cables too. And this is the process that we do. Because we're seeing a lot of problems with the aftermarket screens, especially the new iOS 11.3, that the screens are freezing. So we're seeing a lot of problems between the 7 all the way up to the 8 Plus. So we have a lot of customers requesting for the original Apple LCDs, and we make them here in the US. We're refurbishing them here, and they're coming out really great. Okay, so once we've cleaned that really nice, we've got our LCD here, cold press frames, really good quality stuff, and I want to make sure there's no glue on this side. Okay, so the process is pretty easy. We're just gonna take this electronic cleaner here, make sure there's no dust, so we get a really good clean finished product. And okay, so now we're gonna take this off. This is a Oka sheet glue underneath here. We're gonna peel this off very carefully so we don't get any dust. Just drop it on the ground. Get a little dust right here on the screen. Sorry. Okay. And we're gonna make sure there's no dust. Very clean. Sometimes you gotta be very careful with this. Okay. Drop this down one more. Okay, looks pretty good. We're just going to line this up here in the alignment mold, and very gently you press down. And you want to not press in the middle, make sure you press on the sides here so that the glue closes down on the LCD. So you see like a little bit, see that corner right there? Just like that. And pop it off from that side. So the screen is going to stay. And I just want to show you original Apple LCD. See the Apple logo? Okay, so you're going to press down a little bit here, just gently in the corners so it's nice in there. And we take a little tape just to tape this down, and then we're going to put this in the lamination machine. Okay, we're going to pop this in right here, close the lid down. Turn the lamination machine on, and then we're gonna hit the start button. Laminate 15 minutes, it'll be done. We'll show you the finished product when it's done. And actually, I'll kind of 1 second to show you basically what the finished product looks like, so you guys can see. But this is the 7 right here, and this is show you the original Apple logos, and this is the quality of the 7. You can see original Apple LCD. Colors are very bright. Actually, here, I'll connect one here for you just so you can see the colors, how bright the white is. You'll see in 1 second the difference in color. Check this out 1 second. All right. You'll see in 1 second. power on. Usually it stays on the black screen because it's a black body, but if this was on like rose gold, or you would see the white and the apple would be black. I don't know if people notice that. Here we go. So take a look at the brightness of this and you can see how great it looks. Alright guys, thank you so much, and let us know if you need something. Fix It Pros, West Palm Beach. Have a great day. Bye.